Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is a meet hosted by Riding the Reaper, but a lot of people's coming apparently, so we're just gonna head through tonight. But I also wanted to mention my first sponsor for the video. It's no other than Mr. Lee's Automotive Hub, or Mr. Lee. Everyone calls him Mr. Lee. If you need headlights, if you need the bulbs for your car, for anything, any car, he does like most cars. And I see he sells lips and stuff also, so if you need lips, bulbs, you can just contact him. He has like, in the back of his Polo, there's like a whole compartment, don't know what is going on there, but you just see like the yellow bulbs. But anyway guys, let me just show you how it looks actually with it on. Yes, you can actually see. Yo. Yes. Yo. What's about looks better on the camera? So it looks like this ankle. Yes, nah guys. Please hit him up for any like headlights or anything that you need. But he does mostly headlights. Now the car just needs like a drop or so. But yo, looks recht. Yes, ja, of course. I never had this light in. Yo. And I've been driving with this lights for probably, I would say like a month or so, and the visibility is freak man. Like yo, back to my old lights when it was like that old yellow lights. I think it's, I don't know what lights was that. And then I bought this also now. I was at Tiger Valley, and then they were selling this. So instead of using the, what do they call that? The silicone. I'll use this. Check out these.
Oh shit! What is that?
Yeah, so it's looks mad, eh? Chemical reactions in this. Yo. This is freak mad. Yo, excuse the dirty rims guys, but yo, this is freak mad. It's actually shining now. I wonder how long it's gonna last though.
1 hour later.
On my way now, and the location is actually in Edgemead. So you can see how it looks there.
Bruh.
Yeah, that's how it looks there. Yo, it's actually a massive turnout here guys. Stance at the lake here, but it was slammed at the lake here. Thumbnail bro. Yes. Yo, what color is this? It looks like there's one club here. Well, the sun's gonna go down guys, so I need to just hustle here, just show you guys what's clapping at this meet.
Yes.
There's a pool out here. Oh yes. Did you make it like this?
Yeah, no, made it like that.
Is it? Usually the men make it like stick out here, then they drive it. Oh, but like that. Nah, it look boy.
There's no lighting.
Yo, here's a tip, fanging tips here bro. Kyle. M2 maybe. That's too nice guys. Here's Rhonda. Now check this side guys, what do you think about this side? I maybe want to make my car like this side. You know what you guys think? Oh wait, my car's already this side. Oh, I'm confused. Shoo. This thing on bags. Yo. Yo, is this your car? Is this going E?
Yes.
Yo, can we get the demonstration? This is the first time I see this on E. Yo, maybe we need a certificate or something. Yeah, sus. Yo, it said liquor also. That's my dream family car one day, bro. I had like 3 children. Yo. Beautiful sounds, guys.
Yeah, that's what it is. The oil is
The milk one, guys. Wow. Yoko, hey. Yo. Oh, is it up? How's it? The squad, bro. Stealth, yeah. Everyone came here. It's the GT4, man, bro. Yes. Wow. Plus, it's a new spec also. Yo. Hey, bro. That one here. Yo, on air also. Hey, bro. Our browse also here, guys. If you want to need some cleaning products, let me know. Let him know. Yes, Jaryd motor also. Yeah, it's possible I don't know. Slapping his jazz there or something. Yo. Nee, bro. This guy sounds freaking mad. I would ask him to rev it now, but yeah. Peace and quiet tonight. Yo, just that, guys. Ooh. What's happening here? Lions here. Yo, what is happening here, bro? Hello, this brother's in my shot, my bro. This man is going to Zanzibar, bro. Yo, check here, guys. Shoot! Yeah, sauce. Nice! Bruh, yo, one day, guys. Shoulder.
How's it going, man? You alright? Lekker, lekker, man.
The big man.
How's it going? You alright?
Yo, what are you?
Ah, lekker, lekker.
Bruh,
Is het rustig,
I
man?
have to follow it, bro. Yo! Where is this spot going? This last donuts at the back, I'm running. Yo, dream call that, guys. I'm just cruising here. Yeah, sauce.
Something about that phone.
Hi.
How you doing? Yo. Yeah, and then the ones that are in the actual grill are just green. And that's run off the switch.
Yeah. Sleep all the day, bro. Stones out here. Good to the front, guys. Okay, yo. Yes, yes. We have Rhonda in the mixer. The tire polish isn't working out. I don't know. Man, he's stanced out here. Lekker. Says Yoko.
No, sir.
Yo, oh. Yo, this light is mad, no? This is nice, no? But light is popping here, bro. Your job is looking very nice.
The red one.
Clean. Yo, bro.
It's a pocket.
Yes.
Het should lekker focus toch?
I know, yeah. Nowadays the small stuff is like the best stuff.
Ooh, you even with me in it. So it's focused on that little one.
This is an 85. Fucking nice, thank you. Nice. They had the bakkie for about 4 years. It was ABF throttle fed. It was 20 valve throttle fed. I then sold it. Man. Guys, let me know if I'm gonna do this to Rhonda one day. Just for fun. I'll do it for like Christmas or something one day. Just couple me the fenders and the bumpers. Green car alert, yeah. Even the VW game comes up. I don't know if you guys saw this on New Year's Day, but they were actually doing a lekker run. Here you go, here you go. Sorry guys, I'm using my phone now. The roses are here, so let's check it out.
Put the people that are leaving
I think the Reaper is getting on the air.
Always.
Yeah guys, the police actually came and everyone is going now. So I think I'm also gonna leave because apparently Ghost Squad is coming. And we're just chilling here. I don't know why Ghost Squad is coming. So everyone is spotting here now. Yo, hectic. Get this man in. Cooks to the front.
Yo guys, sorry, about to call it now, and the police just came. So everyone's going to a different spot apparently, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here guys. And yo, my dream cars actually just pulled up, but I'm gonna leave now guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was actually a mooi turnout. It's just now that the police made junk. Please like and subscribe guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.